Hi guys, welcome to Autobright, and we have our first brand new product launch of 2023, and it is Decon Shampoo. So Decon Shampoo is an intensive paintwork cleanser. It can be used prior to applying a new wax or sealant to give your paint a nice clean finish, or it can be used to rejuvenate an existing wax or ceramic protection. So if you've got a ceramic coating on your vehicle and you want to make sure that the pores in that coating stay as clear as possible, this is a fantastic product to use to restore the water behaviour and the beading qualities of that ceramic coating. So Decon Shampoo is a deep cleaning, pH balanced when diluted shampoo. It contains natural surfactants, it is wax and silicone free, it's got a high strength and high dilution formula, it leaves no residue when rinsed, and it's also biodegradable. When using Decon Shampoo for bucket application, you use between 30 to 50 ml, so you'd use around about 30 ml if you're using for a maintenance wash, use around about 50 ml if you're working on a car that's got a high level of contamination. You can also apply it through a foam lance, so through the foam lance you want to use it at a ratio of 10 to 1, so for a normal 1 litre foam lance bottle, this is going to be a dilution of around about 100 ml. And then if using a pump spray as a pre-soak, you can also use it at a dilution of around about 50 to 1. As well as being highly effective, Decon Shampoo also has an amazing pear drops fragrance. When Decon Shampoo is used for a maintenance wash, even on unprotected paintwork, it will leave the vehicle with a fantastic gloss. Okay guys, thanks for watching our video on our new product Decon Shampoo. This is now available in store and online, and don't forget it's also available at your local health foods as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.